Lucy and I are out here fixing to pick beans, and look, the strawberries are taking over. We're fixing to get wet. We've got strawberries. I'm waiting on Pawpaw to get out here. Look at here. They're starting to come in here. One there. Two there. One over here. Two over there. It's awesome little ones coming around. All the babies coming through here. But look at this. It's used to get harder. I picked one out of this one, but I don't see any more in these two. And the babies are taking over. I mean, it's causing it all to take over. Pawpaw brought us rain jackets. Come over here and look. I don't need a strawberry off this one, but come look at this.
Holy moly.
Lucy took off. She's scared of Pawpaw in this. He brought me one too, so we look like two aliens from outer space.
Yeah, it's a military.
She took off running. She's over there by the shed somewhere.
Look at that.
Here's two you forgot.
I'm just working my way down. Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, down here. They just now starting to grow here.
I know. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty these things are.
Yeah, they.
Oh, look at there.
Don't
I
know.
didn't see that. Lucy will take it.
Lucy will take it. I mean, it's okay, but
We gotta have one for her anyway.
we didn't know there was anything out here. We ain't even been here, and look at this. One of them done went bad.
I'm taking them. And for Lucy, we'll save her that yucky one.
Isn't it yucky?
Oh, is it just really?
No, it is a little bit.
It is.
I can't pull it
She'll
off.
eat off of it. There's another one under there.
Is he? Yep.
What do you think, Lucy? Look at her. Look what I got. She's... Lucy, look what I got. Come here. Look. It's me. Come on. Let me take the hat off. Come on. Come on. Look at the strawberries. Come on. Come on. Strawberries. Look.
Yeah. Go on, yeah.
Come on. Here, let me take the hat off. Come on. If you want them, here.
What we got to put them in?
Nothing. We're going to eat them, I guess.
You ain't got no plate. You just put the beans in?
Oh, the beans, yes. Here's your strawberries. You want your strawberries? She said, I don't know if I want my strawberries. Papa, take your hat off so she can see. Look, you want your strawberries? Look what I got. She's going to watch you. Here. She says, I got to know that shoe. She said, huh. Come on, let's go pick beans. Okay, I get sidetracked. Look at the grapes. Some hanging under there. This vine didn't have many. This one had more. When you got down here somewhere, hanging under there, I don't remember. Not as many of them made it. They started turning like that. Some of them are making it, some of them aren't. But then you get down here and you look. Grapes. You garden the beans?
Garden.
She's gardening the beans.
Dog can't garden nothing.
Garden.
Scared of wrong data.
She's gardening the beans.
Gardening the beans.
Look at this. They're blooming a second time. Look at the
I
beans.
don't know if it's the second, third, or fourth.
Well, after they stopped a little bit, they started again.
Well, we pulled all the old leaves off.
Yeah, and they've just started. re-blooming after the first big bloom.
They want to make sure they put some seeds on. Is what, and we ain't. We haven't let them go to save no seed.
We will probably shortly, because I've done put up 45 quarts and about 15 pints out of this section right here. So that's pretty good, ain't it?
That's pretty good. Well, watermelons have finally started growing a little bit. That's the problem when you do something organic. It just takes forever for it to grow. But it looks like there's a little watermelon right there.
There's one behind it.
Yeah.
They're all blooms everywhere in there.
Blooms everywhere now. Got a little watermelon over here. And so that's a good thing. We didn't think we was gonna have nothing. Look at the little watermelon in right there.
Blooms all over it.
Yeah. So maybe, just maybe, I'm trying to keep it turned back in on itself where it'll kind of shade the ground pretty good. This compost, as it breaks down, of course we got the fire ant bed still in the middle of it, so I'm just leaving it. I've been putting coffee grounds on it. It seems to be working. Yeah, where I put the coffee grounds, there's no fire ants. Okay, so it seems to be working.
You're going to just keep making a loop around them?
Yeah, well, every time I see them pop up, I put the coffee grounds and they move, you know. So, we'll see, because there's another watermelon right there.
It's looking nice.
Looking pretty good. I think we'll just wait. Give it time. It's, you know, the compost was fresh, so it hadn't had time to really break down a lot. And I think over time, as it breaks down, it will actually probably, we're not going to have any watermelons about a fourth, that's for sure. But unless something miraculous just happened and they grow off like super fast.
That's 3 weeks. I don't think so.
Yeah, this, now I did put some lime in the top of it. I did come put some lime in here. And, you know, of course it's got oak trees galore in it.
They keep coming up.
Yeah, for acorns and stuff like that. That was in the compost. You can see the little oak trees everywhere. Get them all out of there. Here's one up there. So we'll let it go. We can keep the grass out of it. Because see, the grass already wants to come up in it. It's funny how that grass runs to it. It knows it's nutrient dense and it just keeps going to it. Now I did dig a big hole. I don't remember if we showed this in the video. I did dig a big hole right in the middle of it. And I put all kind of vegetable scraps and...
We talked about it because Lucy got in there.
Yeah, and
no.
And I throwed old onion, when we cut the tops off our onions and the roots and all that, I piled all that down in it. And boy, Lucy went wacko on it. She come out here and she killed one of my plants that was right here. She just got into it and killed it. And she's learning where she's supposed to be and where she's not supposed to be. You know, she's like a child. You gotta discipline her ever so often and make her understand. And she's really doing well. I mean, I'm very happy with how she's turning out. She was in the house with Miss Wanda, and I seen a squirrel down at my peach trees, and I grabbed the gun, went down there and shot the squirrel. And then we hollered for Miss Loopy, and Wanda opened her up out of the house, and she come down them steps and hit them woods out there and went straight to where I shot that squirrel. So I mean, she's getting really good about being able to wind something and find it.
And yesterday and a couple of days before, she found the possum that you...
Yeah, I shot a possum late one night, about midnight, way down in the pasture down yonder. And the buzzards got it, of course, the next day. But then yesterday, she was sitting on the porch.
Well, 2 days ago...
You're right, 2 days ago, she was sitting on the porch. We got out to eat our breakfast about 5:30 in the morning. She was sitting there with her nose up in the air, and winding, and all of a sudden she just disappeared. And I told Wanda, I said, well, when she disappears, I said, that's usually not good.
You know what she's doing? I had her a bath the next day.
And she come back, she stunk so bad. I said, Wanda, she's done found that possum and done wallowed in it, just like she's doing right here. So Wanda took her to town, had her nails clipped, and had a bath. And that was yesterday. Look at her now.
The bath don't do no good.
It don't do no good. Laying in the dirt and the wet grass.
She is totally filthy now, again.
Look at you, you're all nasty.
Let's pick beans.
All right, we got to pick beans while they...
We're going to get wet.
Still raining out here, but that's okay. You hear it falling.
Drizzly rain.
Just nice, steady, drizzling rain. But we did get this much right here today. Now, this is not really enough to can, so Miss Wanda will cut the ends off of all of them, cut them up into pieces, put them in a Ziploc bag, take all the air out of them, and put them in the refrigerator. And let's see, what, maybe two more days?
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, we'll come pick again. And looks like we'll probably get about this many again. And then she'll have enough to do a canner, and she can take the ones out of the refrigerator that she's got backing down like that, and she'll be able to can, you know, a good bit of them. Plus we got a few strawberries left. Now most people just gobble them down. Wanda and I are not that kind of people. We will take them in the house, put them in the refrigerator, and when we come in for a break during the day or something like that, we'll eat them then. You know,
we just had breakfast.
We just had breakfast just a few minutes ago.
And we ate one apiece.
We did. We ate one apiece, but it looks like the rain's getting heavier. I'm sitting here looking at it out across the field.
I can feel it. We need to go.
Yeah, we fixing to get in the house, guys. So I still got metal to put on the barn this morning. So.
And I got coffee.
Yeah, well, Miss Wanda's got a coffee, and
I got to go make a coffee run.
Oh, that's right. We got to go to Silver Run Coffee Crafters. By the time y'all see this video, today is today's 6/6. That's not good. The 6th of June. By the time y'all see this video, it will be next week. Probably all of our Camp House brew coffee will done be sold. I hate that for y'all guys.
But we're going to have more.
We'll have more because we've got this variety that we've just got Mr. Brad and them create for us. And so don't panic. Just keep watching the Etsy store. And it's deepsouthhomestead.etsy.com. And as soon as we get it in, I think Mr. Brad only had so much this time. And we're going to get what he had. And then he'll get some more in, and he'll get it roasted, and then we'll get it from him. It'll be an ongoing thing. This coffee will be more plentiful than the smokehouse brew was we have here. So watch the Etsy store, guys. Don't miss out on the coffee. Thank you guys from Pecan Grove. Decided to come pick the cucumbers because the cucumbers are one of them things you can't just leave them. You know, they'll get too big on you.
Right in your face.
On my face right there. Been
one right under.
Been a snake, it would have bit me.
I've done canned all the cucumbers we really need, all the relish, dill, hot, red hot, bread and butter.
Who would have thought these few little old plants would have?
Look at here, they just going up one right after another.
Look at them still coming up there. Now one of them is big enough, but the other ones ain't.
One right over yonder, one over there.
I didn't bring no bowl in. I gotta get this thing off my head. I can't see.
Right here.
Oh my goodness.
Big one way over yonder.
You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the cucumber plants we had at Deep South. In the high tone, we only had 4 plants, and they we harvested over 400, and we've probably done that off of these 5 or 6 we got here. You know.
All right, we getting wet. I'm just saying.
All of them now,
I don't know, but if it ain't, we'll get them later. My phone's getting wet. We're getting wet.
Okay.
But it feels good to be out in the rain, and it's raining.
And it's not thunder and lightning and all that kind of stuff. This is tropical rain, guys. This tropical system. This ain't storms.